Funnybone, you remembered me today?
Yes, sir. I said, let me call you, sir, to greet you, sir. Sir, you know my show is coming up, sir.
You're sure? What's the date?
Yes, sir, it's September 10th, sir.
What's the venue?
In Abuja, sir. At the Transcorp Hilton, sir.
Beautiful.
Sir, the regular ticket is 7,000, sir.
7,000.
The VIP, sir, is 20,000.
20,000.
Sir, the gold table is 1 million.
Mm.
But the premium table is 2 million, sir.
All right.
Sir, but there's a problem, oh.
What's the problem?
Sir, people are complaining, sir, that the economy is hard, sir. So the ticket is not really selling, sir.
Funnybone, you can't have somebody like me and say tickets are not... No, you should have sold out by now. All right, very simple. Just meet me at 2 a.m.
2 a.m., sir?
Yes, 2 a.m.
Sir, it's just to sell the ticket for the show. It's nothing else.
Yes, yeah. We need to make some sacrifice.
Sir?
Funnybone, meet me at 2 a.m. Your tickets, it will sell out. I assure you that.
Sir, don't worry, sir. I will sell it myself, sir. Yes, sir, don't worry, sir.
Are you there?
Just to sell ticket. Sacrifice. I beg you. I'll sell it myself.
We have unfinished business. You don't know why I'm called a nice sacrifice.
Jesus!
Funnybone, we have unfinished business. Are you ready to make the sacrifice?
Abuja, people can buy tickets, I think.
Sonoros, sonoros, sonoros,